Came out here last week for this closet here. Customer wants to install a new outlet. They're going to be redoing the whole closet here, it looks like, with going to have all sorts of, all sorts of cabinets going into the closet there, and the shelving, which obviously isn't there yet. But he wants to put some outlets in there, controlled by a new light switch I'll be putting in. That way the lights will be turning on and off with the light switch. So have some better closet lighting going on for him. Be a nice little feature. Hope he likes it when we're done. But without further ado, well, I'm all wrapped up with this job. Didn't take too long. I think about an hour and a half or so it took. Wasn't too much to it. With all in, bringing material down, clean up, installation, pack material up. It takes about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. If I came up with some wrong, with some larger issues in the wall, it might have taken 2 hours, but about an hour and a half for this project. So not too bad. So only two things left now. One, I got to invoice the customer through my jobber system, which is a great system, by the way. Allows all my customers to view all their quotes and invoices throughout any length of time that we've been working with them. And two, I just got to do my end of job checklist, which you'll see popping up on the screen now. What this allows me to do is allows me to create a consistent and accurate way of making sure that every customer receives the exact same service when I leave their home, such as making sure no breakers are off, lights are on, and most importantly, just praying. I'm a Christian-owned company, so I pray for each and every one of my customers and the jobs that I do at the end of each project to make sure that I'm blessing them and their family for years to come. So have a great day, everybody. Appreciate you tagging along with me on this project.